taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A gentle maid with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food world. With Antonia SEPTIMO from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira. Taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A gentle maid with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from.
Good morning! Welcome to our kitchen from We Love Food World with Ricardo Nunes, Antonia SEPTIMO, and Sander Nunes. Okay guys, how are you? Today I'm gonna make it melt bread. This is nice and delicious. So guys, good morning from We Love Food World with Ricardo Nunes, Antonia SEPTIMO, and Sander Nunes. Hi guys! I'm here in the kitchen. Magluluto po ako ngayon ng bread melt. This is nice and delicious. Simple recipe, but is yummy! Okay people, this is my recipe. Meron tayong flour. All-purpose flours is 300 grams. Meron tayong 80 gram of powdered milk. Meron tayong butter, 7 gram, and yeast, 2 spoon, 1 egg, and 1 spoon of salt. And there's 30 gram of sugar and 140 ml of milk. Ayan. Make sure the milk is warm. Okay guys, paghahalo-haloin lang natin. So the next step, we're gonna make a dough. Okay guys, okay, this is the flour, all-purpose flour. So lagyan natin yung salt. So yung dry muna, and then lagyan natin yung yeast. Yung iba naman sinisipalit yung yeast with the milk and sugar. So okay guys, yung sugar, it's up to you guys what you're gonna be, style you make it. So ganito lang muna po siya. Try muna ingredient. Okay, haluin natin and following the wet ingredient. Okay, ayan. And powdered milk. I love powdered milk. And the next step is the milk and butter. Ayan. Make sure the butter is all, and then of course the egg. Ayan. Gagawa tayo ng dough today, so easy to make. Imamash lang po natin siya. So okay guys, wait a minute. Okay people, I just make like this. This the wooden spoon, then the handle. So I just make it like this. Easy guys. Okay guys, look at this. Okay, minas ko na siya. So I mixed all together, and then I would like to transfer it here. So meron siyang oil. I put a little bit oil so that I don't need to transfer in here. So look at this guys. And then I'm gonna cover this in about 45 minutes. Okay, okay people, look at this. I'm already covered, so wait until 45 minutes. Put it aside and later. Okay. Make sure it's covered. Good morning.
Mommy.
Hola.
Hola.
Welcome to our channel. Ricardo Nunes, Antonia, SEPTIMO. What is your name?
Sana Mames.
Sandra
Wow,
Nunes.
strawberry.
Say hello, Ola.
I want some strawberry. Strawberry.
Ma. Say mo ma.
Ma.
Ma. Like this.
Ma, like this.
Okay guys, look at that dough. So we need to start now. Ayan. Kaya natin yung dough. Okay? Ayan. Ayan. Look at this. Nice and soft. Softly. Look at this. Amazing, isn't it? Cut lang natin siya, guys. Ayan. Ito, tingnan mo. Madali lang po. Just do like this. Okay. Ganyanan lang natin siya. Okay, look at this. Okay guys, look at this. Make sure the oven is on, guys, so it's easy and hot. Ayan. Okay, madali lang. Just like that. Okay. Okay guys, like this. See? Ganyan lang natin siya. I love milk butter. Para lang bola-bola. Okay, cut natin ulit siya. Lang, di ba? Good for this, for your kids. Really good. Okay, guys. And after, okay, guys, look at this. Just like that. Okay, guys, look at this. Okay, guys, leave it this in about 10 minutes. So, lagay muna natin siya. Takpan lang natin. I just covered the cloth, and then after that I'm gonna brush one egg. Okay, guys, mix natin siya. Okay, and then I'm gonna brush the bread. Yeah, the dough. Open it. Ayan. Okay, brush natin. Okay, brush, and then we're gonna put about 25 to 30 minutes, and then the oven is 176. Yan guys. This is a purpose to be shiny. Okay guys, let's put now in the oven. It's ready. Ayan. Okay guys, look at this. Okay people, look at that. Amazing. Ayan, mainit pa. Sarap. Look delicious. Okay guys. Ayan. Oh, hot. Ayan. Very hot. Sana po nagustuhan nyo ang aking milk bread. So, this is a milk bread. Sana po nagustuhan nyo. At super hot. Mainit pa. Really hot. Amazing. It smells delicious. Smell good. So, guys, thank you for your watching. And hopefully you like my bread milk. Oh my god. Yummy and delicious. Have a nice day, guys. Mwah. Love you all. In the kitchen, we are fire. Bye. Love you. God bless. Bye.
Taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A gentle maid with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food world.
SEPTIMO from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira.
If you want to taste all the flavors of life, you need to know. A gentle maid with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love